Hello everyone, welcome in the new tutorial of the Excel learning. So till now we have created this Excel and I have updated few of the data as on today date because we have completed our Excel in 2020, but I thought that let's teach something more, and that's why there are so many things which I want to teach you. So first of all, welcome again, and in this tutorial we are going to learn the pivot table and use of the pivot table. Just let me give one example. Here we have created one table with the help of a countif, and we have applied some of the equations, and we have to update all this thing manually. So if we want like the details against the all the responsible person, so how can we take? So first of all we have to make this table, and again we have to fetch the data with the help of index match or the countif, and then we can fetch this data. So these things can be easily completed with the help of a pivot table. So let us start how we can import the pivot table. First of all, let us create one new sheet. I have created new sheet named as a sheet 2, and let us named as a pivot table. So, and wherever you want to insert the pivot table, first of all, place the cell. Here I have placed it in a C5 cell. Okay. And now you have to click on the insert tab which is above on the menu bar. Here in insert, one button is given which is as a pivot table. Just directly click on that. It will ask about the table range. So what will be our table range? So just in the sheet 1, this is our table. Let us select this table whole, and if you want to create a new sheet you can, and if you want to create the pivot table in an existing worksheet, you have to select this one. And the location will be, as I have already discussed, that we are creating our pivot table in this pivot table sheet C5 cell. Let us place the OK. So you can see that something is coming up. And here we have to make some data. And data will not come automatically. We have to do some ticks and tips. So here, let me show you what we have done. We have created one table with the help of completed task, overdue task. That is our status column, right? And under the status column, we have updated our counts. How many are completed and how much are pending. So let us make. First of all, you can see that here is the properties of the pivot table, which is right side of the our screen. Here there are all the columns which are showing up over here. So let me give one thing. If you are getting error, like, let me do again, and I am just deleting the data over here in D1, and then after let me create insert pivot table. Let me select the data range. It's control all, and then press OK. So here this pivot table has been created, but sometimes it happens that we have to give the names to the header. Otherwise, it will not create the pivot table. Just keep in mind to give always the heading for the header row. Okay. So let us control Z. Okay. Now we are here, and here I am fetching the data like the status. First of all, we need status in our rows. So just pick this thing and drag it to the rows. Then after, you can see it is automatically capturing all the details and how many tasks are pending with the days left for 115 and the days left with 75. So these things. And again we have to update the how many tasks are in progress. So just be in the pivot table and just select anything like the task details and just place it in the value cell. You can see here automatically it has captured that count of task details, but sometimes we have to update like sum. So just we have to click on this and value field setting. Once you click on that, you can see that there are n number of options are available: sum, minimum, maximum, product. So everything is available. Now we are just selecting his account and then press OK. So this is the basic thing which I want to mention over here. And this way we can create our pivot table. And in more upcoming lecture, we will discuss about more about this slicer timeline and more the details and how you can create the pivot chart and everything. So be with the course and enjoy learning. If you have any doubt, you can comment me anytime or you can add your questions in the Q&A box. Thank you.